और गुजरात के मुंद्रा पोर्ट पर भारी मात्रा में ड्रग्स पकड़े जाने के बाद डायरेक्टोरेट ऑफ रेवेन्यू इंटेलिजेंस ने ड्रग्स की खेप से जुड़ी कई और रिकवरीज की हैं। डीआरआई ने अब दिल्ली और नोएडा से 37 किलो ड्रग्स बरामद किया है। देश के अब तक के सबसे बड़े ड्रग्स रैकेट भंडाफोड़ के सिलसिले में 8 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया जा चुका है। आरोपियों में 3 भारतीय नागरिकों सहित 4 अफगानिस्तान और 1 उज्बेकिस्तान का नागरिक भी शामिल है। आपको बता दें कि 17 और 19 सितंबर को गुजरात के मुंद्रा पोर्ट से 3000 किलो ड्रग्स पकड़ी गई थी, जिसकी कीमत 21,000 करोड़ रुपए बताई जा रही है। यह हेरोइन अफगानिस्तान से आई थी, जिसे बड़े बैग्स के अंदर छिपा कर लाया जाता था। गिरफ्तार 3 भारतीय नागरिकों में एक चेन्नई का रहने वाला दंपति भी शामिल है। पुलिस के मुताबिक इस दंपति का पहले से कोई आपराधिक रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, लेकिन एजेंसियों को संदेह है कि ड्रग कार्टेल के लिए इस दंपति की विजयवाड़ा कंपनी का एक शेल कंपनी के तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा था।
The seizure of huge quantity of drugs in Gujarat's Mundra port has sent shockwaves across the country, and it has also left the investigative agencies puzzled as to who could have pulled off such a major smuggling operation in India. And all leads have pointed out to this flat in the outskirts of Chennai, particularly in Kolapakam, where a couple named Sudhakar and Vaishali were living. According to the neighbors, they have been living here for the past 7 to 8 years, who were involved in some sort of small businesses. As far as police is concerned, they say that it was their company that was involved in this huge smuggling. Ashi Trading Company, which is registered in Vijayawada, was the company that was linked to this major smuggling operation. And multiple investigative agencies are looking into this matter as of now. Even as we speak, there are reports that the NIA could take over this case. ED has already launched a probe into this. And apart from that, there are multiple other agencies who are also looking into this matter. The Chennai police and the other wings of Tamil Nadu police is also investigating this matter. And according to the neighbors, they say that Vaishali and Sudhakar have been living here for the past 7 to 8 years with their family. And recently, Sudhakar had lost his job due to the pandemic, and he was looking out for other business opportunities. And probably that could have been the time where he could have been trapped by the drug mafia. And that is something that their neighbors suspect. And in fact, according to the Tamil Nadu police, they say that this couple who have been arrested by the DRI in connection with this huge seizure of drugs in Gujarat, they have no criminal background whatsoever. And they are also trying to find out as to what exactly has happened in this case. And investigative agencies believe that Ashi Trading Company is a shell company. It was a front company. There are many other people who could have been involved in this major operation.